In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a fiat wallet on crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto.com or just need some guidance on getting started with a fiat wallet, I've got you covered. We'll walk through the entire process step by step to ensure you're set up and ready to go. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and go to crypto.com's homepage. You can do this by simply typing crypto.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the website has loaded, you'll find yourself on the home page. It's a bustling hub of information, so take a moment to acquaint yourself with the layout. Now, navigate your way to the Fiat wallet setup. This is usually found under the wallet section or similar menu. If you cannot locate it immediately, don't worry. Crypto.com often updates its interface, so use the search function if necessary or browse through the menus patiently. Once you're in the correct section, you should see an option for setting up a Fiat wallet. Click on it to start the process. Once you've clicked to set up your wallet, it's time to complete the wallet setup. This step often involves entering some personal details such as your name, address, and potentially verifying your identity. Follow the prompts as they guide you through this straightforward process. Be sure to double check your inputs before submitting them, as accuracy is crucial to ensure your account functions properly. With the setup completed, you can now deposit funds into your USD wallet. Look for an option to add funds, which is typically clearly labeled. You'll then be given the option to link a bank account or use other methods to deposit money. Follow the instructions provided by crypto.com to complete the deposit process. Depending on your bank and location, deposits might take some time to reflect, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once your funds are in your USD wallet, you are set to utilize this balance to buy cryptocurrency. Head over to the Buy section, which is usually prominently displayed on the platform. You'll have the option to choose from a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Select the ones you wish to purchase and use your USD balance to complete the transaction. Double check the amounts and confirm the purchase, and just like that, you're a cryptocurrency owner. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up and using a fiat wallet on crypto.com. Remember, it's always essential to keep your information secure and follow best practices for account safety. Thanks for following along in today's video, and happy trading.